Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and discussing the character, Polar Prince, with you. In the world of Cluckies, the Polar Prince stands out as a figure of regal grandeur and quiet menace. Adorned with a crown of light blue, its gem reflecting a cold, calculated gleam, and a royal robe draped over his shoulders, this anthropomorphic polar bear commands a presence both noble and intimidating. His blue and gold belt adds a touch of opulence to his already imposing figure. Despite his high status and the respect he commands, the Polar Prince is not one to embark on Clucky's whimsical adventures. In the first episode of Gamatoons, titled Last Video, Polar Prince is introduced to the player. In this episode, Polar Prince escapes from the prison and uses his wand to destroy Clucky's slushy machine. The player then finds a missing part of the slushy machine. Clucky warns the player that Polar Prince's wand could destroy his path. In the second episode, Cluckies take over Gamatoons, a veteran enters the Slushy's kingdom and confronts Polar Prince. Polar Prince calls the veteran a trespasser and uses his wand to freeze him. Barney Beaverton then smashes the frozen veteran into pieces with his driller. In Clucky is Not a Monster, Polar Prince, along with Clucky and Barney Beaverton, battles Jackson and saves Roofus Ribbit. In the episode, Clucky gets a fan club. To control the chaos caused by his enthusiastic female fans, Clucky calls on Polar Prince. When a blonde girl attempts to get Clucky's autograph and even threatens him, Polar Prince freezes her, and Barney Beaverton smashes the frozen girl. In Clucky Buys His First House, Clucky steps down from leadership, leading to a power struggle between Polar Prince and Jackson Jackal. Jackson threatens to imprison Polar Prince if they do not follow his orders and forces Polar Prince, Barney Beaverton, and Roofus Ribbit to work hard. They all wish for Clucky to return, and he does, saving them from Jackson. I hope you liked this video. Please comment below on which character you'd like me to draw next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.